What's up guys, this is David, and today we're going to be checking out this piece of gear from Peak Design and why you need it in your camera bag. So stick around. Peak Design has been around for a few years now, beginning on Kickstarter with their capture system, expanding to camera straps and even bags. At the end of last year, they announced updates to many of their popular products like their slide camera straps, anchors, and adapters. While the original slide strap came with one of the Arca Swiss compatible plates, which work great on all my compatible heads, the new version was packaged with this. I'm going to guess Peak Design did this to minimize the footprint on your camera, but for someone like me that's moving my camera from tripod to strap to gimbal, I need something a little more universal, so I don't have to swap plates all the time. Enter the $25 Peak Design dual plate. So first let's go over what you get with the new dual plate. You'll receive a hex wrench to install on your camera and the plate itself. That's it. No Peak Design anchors or anything else. The main feature of this plate and why you would pay $25 for it is that it's compatible with the full line of Peak Design products, like their slide straps, as well as Manfrotto RC2 adapters and most Arca Swiss adapters. The plate itself features an anti-twist pad which keeps the plate in place when panning on the tripod. So the question is, does it do as promised? Yes, it does, and it does it very well. The plate locked into my Manfrotto as well as my Arca Swiss adapters. It fits in both real solid without me having to worry if it's going to slide out or not. Since I use small cameras and DSLRs for most of my videography work, the plate makes it real easy to go from my tripod to gimbal to slider and then to camera strap again, and without thinking about it very much. So that's it for today. If you want to check out the dual plate or the slide camera strap, I put links in the video description below. If you like these quick videos, let me know in the comments, hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.